So you've never seen a material roof load on a flat roofing project. Well, guess what? You came to the right place. Today we're going to look at how to do a roof load with your flat roofing products on a commercial project. Let's get started. All right, so obviously we're getting ready to get the roof load. So one of the first things you want to do is you want to make sure that your perimeter is set up, and this perimeter needs to be 6 feet from the edge. And then of course, a lot of people always want to know about hard hats. When do you need to have a hard hat on a roofing project? Well, that really is up to your general contractor, whoever is setting the safety rules on a project. Now the rule of thumb is, now guys, and if you haven't seen my video about hard hat safety, I definitely recommend watching it. I go over all the OSHA guidelines, but I'm just going to give you the quick overview right now for the sake of the video. Anytime there's an opportunity for someone to get something dropped on their head or any type of head injury, you need to have a hard hat on. Now, OSHA does not necessarily give specific guidelines on when exactly you have to have a hard hat on a roofing project. So the typical rule of thumb for us to do roofing projects is anytime there's an opportunity for someone to get hurt by a head accident, by something falling, you need to have a hard hat on. So if you're not doing any overhead work, you don't need a hard hat. But as soon as you start taking up what we're going to have on here, a crane, and you have now material over people's head, they need to have a hard hat on. So if they're nowhere close to the loading project or part of the project, then they don't have to wear a hard hat. But if they're in the vicinity where there could be any potential of a head injury, they need to have a hard hat. So that's just the general overview. A couple other things is you always want to be safe whenever you're doing the roof load. That means you don't want to have anybody hanging over the edge, and if they are close to the edge, they need to be harnessed up. You want to make sure all the people on the ground have hard hats as well, because obviously they're going to be picking up all the stuff, putting it over here. I always recommend a crane over just a regular forklift, because a lot of times when you add the forklift, trying to put it onto a single ply membrane roof, even if this is the area that you're taking off, you could be damaging ISO board underneath. You could be damaging some of the decking. A lot of the things that you may want to try to preserve whenever you're doing the new system over the top. The point is you don't want to cause any further damage because, well, you may have to deal with it later anyway. So you always want to be careful in that regard. But the rest of this video, we're mainly going to be showing the actual steps of loading the roof. And at the end, I'll leave a little bit of comments on the edge. Good there? Yeah. Okay, so you just got to see an actual roof load using a crane. So guys, if you notice when you do this roof load, slow and steady always wins. So make sure you have your perimeter set up before, make sure everybody's in the harnesses that needs to be, make sure everybody's staying in where they're supposed to be, and most of all, make sure no one's standing underneath the load, no matter if they have a hard hat or not, while this thing's coming on the roof. Now, if your supplier is the one who's providing the crane, make sure that you've done a safety brief before, and the crane operator knows exactly what you're looking for in terms of safety, because you're the person that's overall in charge of the project, and you're the one overall in charge of safety. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel a lot. If you enjoy our content from Digital Roofing Innovations, please give us a subscribe. As always, at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.